Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you for joining. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, and comment down below on this video and let me know what you guys think. If you are a returning subscriber, then thank you for tuning in again and thank you for sticking with me. Today I will be doing this quick, messy, fun makeup get ready with me. It's a makeup and hair tutorial, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching.
So the rest of this video is going to be a voiceover, and right now I'm just using the e.l.f. Hydro Grip primer. I love this primer so much. It allows your makeup to stick onto your face, and it just makes it gives it this really good finish. So I really love this primer. And don't worry about how I'm looking, guys. Like my hair, I will definitely be doing that later on. I always do my makeup before I do my hair. Just allowing it to dry down a little bit. And then I'm gonna be using my NARS foundation, the soft matte foundation in the shade Macau, I think it is, that I'm using. Just allowing that to warm up a little bit on the back of my hand before I apply it to my face. And I just love the finish of this foundation. It is so smooth, it is so beautiful, and I just love how it applies to your skin. It is the perfect foundation. It has become my new favorite foundation that I've been using since I stopped using drugstore foundation. Not really stopped, but I started using this NARS and I fell in love with it. It looks so good. I know right now it's looking a little bit orangey, but I promise you later on it's going to look just perfect. It is my shade. And we just blend that out all the way. Next, we're gonna go in with our Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm using the shade 40 first, and then after I will use another concealer to highlight, or to brighten, I should say. And don't worry about my lips, guys. Oh my god, they're looking so dry. I forgot to put some lip balm on. Oh, I look terrible, but you get the drift of what I'm doing. Now, after placing your concealer on your face and how you like it or how you like to conceal your face, the most important part of that is your blending technique. Blending is so key to having flawless looking makeup. Anytime you apply any kind of cream product, make sure that you are blending it out to the best of your ability. Blending is key. And right here I'm using the elf a small elf brush to just blend out my concealer, and just making sure that my under eye is all covered, and all my concealer, like everything, my foundation, my concealer is like all blended for my first layer. So once you're finished blending, your face should look something like this. And then I'm gonna go into with my second concealer, that is the Maybelline Fit Me. I decided to use shade 25 for my highlight. I like a bright under eye, so I use a shade that is at least 1 or 2 shade lighter than me for my second concealer. And again, we blend that out completely until you are looking smooth and snatched. Next, we're gonna just go in with our Too Faced pressed powder, and I'm using this powder that I got from Amazon, and the shade is Vanilla, I believe it is, from Too Faced. I've had this powder for a while, so I don't know if it's still in stock, but I use that to kind of set my my concealer before I use loose powder. Next, we're gonna go in with our L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder. I use this for my contour, and I believe this is in the shade Cocoa that I got from the drugstore. And I love this shade as well. Like, it just warms up my face, so I love using this shade as my contour powder. Next, I'm using the Fenty bronzer in the shade Shady Biz to provide some more warmth to my face, and just to let me look a little bit more bronzy. Like, I like to look, you know, tan, especially in the winter time. I also use that same shade, the same Fenty bronzer on my eyelids because I'm lazy and I don't want to use any eyeshadow. So I use my bronzer as my eyeshadow. That's my everyday go-to look. So I also use it to contour my nose. As you can see, I have a small nose, so I don't really do much with my nose because I don't want to look like Pinocchio. So I just really slightly contour my nose whenever I'm doing my makeup. Then we're gonna go in with our Laura Mercier translucent powder as my finishing loose powder that I add on top of the pressed powder that I applied earlier, just to make my under eye a little bit more brighter and smoother. Then I'm going to apply some blush, and I'm using my BH Cosmetics Peach Bellini palette. I'm very light-handed with my products, guys. I like my makeup to look natural. I don't like it looking cakey or anything like that, so I'm very light-handed with my product. And next, we're gonna apply some lashes on top of the individual lashes that I'm wearing because they are missing some. And we're wearing lashes from my brand, which is McLaughlin Beauty, and these are in the style So Samantha that we're gonna be wearing today. Then we're just adding some highlighter, and we're using the OG Emreezy collab with Anastasia Beverly Hills. Next, I'm setting my face with the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. I love this powder. It is so good to give me just a total finish, and also adds warmth to my face again. It is just perfect. For my lips, I'll be using the MAC Cork lip liner to line my lips, and then I'll be using the MAC Cold Brew lipstick. And on top of that, I usually add my own lipstick from my brand, which is Go Bare. I add that to the top, so that's my lip combo that I normally use. And then sometimes I will just add a little bit of the e.l.f. Clear Gloss on top. So now that we're done with makeup, it is time for the hard part, which is my hair. It takes me forever to do my hair because I like, especially when I'm doing a bun, I like a sleek, slick bun. So it takes me a few tries to get it perfect how I want it. So yeah. Right now, I'm just trying to make a part in the front there to create those two bangs in the front. So once I have my hair secured how I want it, I use my Remy glue stick to add more sleekness to it. I don't like to use a lot of gel, so I use the Remy stick to make my hair more secure in the hold. This is what I mean when I say that it takes me a few tries to get it sleek and slick and tight and right, because I like when it's very sleek, I like when it's tight and right, and it takes me a few tries to get it perfect, so bear with me. And of course, when you're trying to be a perfectionist, the devil has to intervene, and my hair tie broke. So I had to try again, get a new one, and try again. And for added security, we're going to use some of the True edge control to make it a little bit more secure. Now that I have my hair secured, I'm going to add some extension to the end, and I got these bundles from Amazon. I would not recommend you guys buying them, so I'm not even going to talk about the brand and anything like that, because these extensions were the absolute worst. They tangle. They're not human hair as advertised, so I would not even recommend that you guys get them. But for a quick weave or a quick ponytail, these would definitely work for maybe a day or two. So now that it is on and secure, I'm just going to wrap it around to my liking until I get it in like a high top bun. I did use some bobby pins to secure it on, so definitely use those. You don't necessarily need it if you wrap your hair tight enough, but I would definitely recommend it for added security. So I'm just wrapping my hair around right now in a little high top bun to my liking until I get it how I want it. And then I'm gonna use some more bobby pins to secure it. Then we're gonna move on to the bangs. We're just gonna first start with our edges, and we're gonna use the same True edge control to form out our edges to our liking, and just make sure that they're secure. Take your time while doing your baby hair. With my hair, it is really fine and my edges are really thin, as you can see from the video. So it's really easy for me to formulate my edges how I want them, because I don't really have a lot. I shouldn't even be doing a ponytail or like a bun, but that's how it goes. So yeah, I'm just formulating my baby hair how I want them. And it's really simple and easy. And now for the bangs, I just create a part in the center to create two slots or two sides of hair, and I just use my flat iron to flat iron it a little bit and curl it a little bit. And my flat iron right now is on about 390. I'm using it at, because my hair, as I said before, my hair is very thin, so I don't want to put too much heat on it. So I try to just use as much heat as I necessarily can use to create the little bangs that I'm trying to create here. So yeah. So I forgot to set my face, so right now I'm just spraying my face with my Mario Badessu for the finished look. And this is how it turned out, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'm just going to show you guys my outfit.
This is what I'm wearing. My boots are from Spring. Leggings are from H&M. Top is from Urban Planet. And then I'm taking this Nathaniel Noor bag with me. So I got this for my Christmas gift to myself. It's like this cute bag. Looks like a little Birkin to me. So I love it. It's a Nathaniel Noor is a local brand, so black owned as well. So if you guys are looking for black owned brand to support, he's one of them. Bag is beautiful, sturdy, all of that. So that's that. Yeah, so I'm gonna head out right now, and I'll see you guys. Deuces.